Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to spot for in-depth and honest product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bella Personal Size Rocket Blender. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a protein shake aficionado, or someone who simply loves quick and easy kitchen gadgets, this 12-piece portable blender promises to be a versatile and efficient tool for your kitchen. But does it live up to its claims? Let's break it down. At the core of this blender is a 240-watt base, designed to handle a variety of tasks, from blending fruits and vegetables for smoothies to grinding spices or even making baby food. The stainless steel blades are advertised as being capable of emulsifying greens and fruits with ease. And with the included 5 tumblers, you can sip directly from the blender, making it great for those with a busy lifestyle. Additionally, the accessories are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. But how does it perform in the real world? Let's find out. When it comes to setup and ease of use, the Bella Rocket Blender is as simple as it gets. The twist and go functionality means no complicated buttons or settings to fiddle with. Just twist on your tumbler, press down, and start blending. I tested it out by making a classic smoothie with frozen berries, spinach, and almond milk. The 240-watt motor powered through the frozen fruit effortlessly, and the resulting smoothie was smooth with no noticeable chunks. The blender is quiet enough to use early in the morning without waking up the whole house, which is a plus if you're a fan of early morning smoothies. Next, I gave it a go with a protein shake, which included both protein powder and some ground flax seeds. The blender did a decent job of mixing the ingredients, but the texture was slightly thicker than what I'd get from larger, more powerful blenders. That being said, this is still a great option for someone who needs a quick shake but doesn't need it to be perfectly smooth. For grinding, I tested a small batch of spices. It worked well enough, but if you're looking to grind large amounts or harder ingredients, you might want to look elsewhere. As far as performance goes, the Bella Rocket Blender really shines in terms of versatility. It handled smoothies, juices, and purees without breaking a sweat, and the fact that you can just twist off the tumbler and go is incredibly convenient. However, there are a couple of limitations. The 240-watt motor means that it's not as powerful as larger blenders, so it can struggle with tougher or fibrous ingredients like certain leafy greens or harder fruits. Also, the size of the tumbler means it's really best suited for single servings or small batches. If you're blending for a larger family, you might find yourself making multiple batches. In terms of pros, the compact design is a major win. It takes up very little counter space, which is ideal for smaller kitchens or for people who don't want to have a bulky blender taking up valuable real estate. The BPA-free, dishwasher-safe accessories also make cleaning simple and safe, which is something a lot of us really appreciate when using kitchen gadgets frequently. Plus, the fact that you can blend, grind, and puree with one appliance adds a lot of value for the price. On the downside, while the Bella Rocket Blender is certainly portable and compact, its power and capacity are somewhat limited. The 240-watt motor is fine for light tasks, but may struggle with tougher ingredients. It also doesn't have the range of a larger blender, so if you're looking for a multi-purpose kitchen tool to handle everything from smoothies to soups to nut butter, you might find this a bit underwhelming. Additionally, the tumblers can feel a little small for those used to more spacious blending containers. Now, let's talk value for money. The Bella Rocket Blender is priced affordably, making it a great option for those on a budget or anyone looking for a compact and easy-to-use blender without spending a fortune. When compared to other personal blenders like the NutriBullet or the Magic Bullet, it certainly holds its own in terms of functionality, but it lacks the raw power and larger capacity those models offer. However, for someone looking for a quick, portable option for single servings, it's a solid choice. It's also a great entry-level blender for people who don't want to commit to a full-size model right away. When comparing this to other blenders in the same price range, the Bella Rocket Blender holds its own. It's not as powerful as higher-end options, but it doesn't cost nearly as much either. If you're just blending smoothies or shakes for one person and don't need a super powerful motor, it competes well with alternatives like the Magic Bullet, which costs a bit more for the same level of performance. As for build quality, the Bella Rocket Blender feels solid and durable. The motor base has a bit of heft to it, and the tumblers feel sturdy enough to withstand regular use. While there isn't a lot of long-term data available for the specific model, Bella has a decent reputation for producing affordable and functional kitchen appliances, so I would expect this blender to hold up well for a few years if cared for properly. I didn't have to contact customer support for this product, but Bella's reputation for customer service seems generally positive. They offer easy-to-find contact information on their website, and many users report fast response times for product inquiries or issues. To wrap things up, the Bella Personal Size Rocket Blender is a solid option for anyone looking for an affordable, easy-to-use, and portable blender for single servings. It excels at smoothies, juices, and light grinding tasks, but its smaller capacity and less powerful motor mean it's not the best choice for those needing more versatility or larger batches. If you're looking for a simple, compact blender that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this one could be just what you need. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV. If you've tried this blender or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss a review. Until next time, here's to keeping things fresh and simple in the kitchen.